I'm going to share something very unique. This is called ELAISE. ELAISE is a superfood. Why is it called a superfood? I'm going to explain later, but what I have now is the ELAISE cooking kit. This cooking kit is worth 70 ringgit, and this offers you an invitation for a Zoom cookout session with Chef Adu Amran on March 6. I'll be cooking live. So how do you get this cooking kit? You can go to the website and there will be 100 kits available. Let me open and show you what's inside this ELAISE cooking kit. The ELAISE cooking kit comes with ELAISE. This is custom made for me. There will be some information card here, some recipes, and now the big question is, what is ELAISE? ELAISE is a sustainably produced red palm oil. It's high smoke point which retains nutrients, and it is very high in phytonutrients. It can be eaten spoonful a day, high in vitamin E for your daily nutritional intake, and even you can mix it into your face mask, hair mask. Now you can check out ELAISE official website at the description to apply for the ELAISE cooking kit, get yourself the ELAISE superfood, and also to participate the Zoom cookout session with Chef Adu Amran on 6 March. Good luck everyone!